finally, the much anticipated and awaited video is here. How to make conditioner from start to finish. In this video today, I'm going to practically show you how to make hair conditioner step by step from start to finish. Hello and thank you so much for watching. I am Ijapari, Gyang, the mom on point. I'm an author, a public speaker, a writer, and an online business coach. I help people to convert their knowledge into profitable business on the internet. So if you're ready to take your business to the next level, don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell sign so that you get latest notification on our video, be it on online business, entrepreneurship, self-publishing, and much more. Also in this channel, I teach on how to make hand sanitizer, liquid soap, Dettol, and much more. So today I want to practically show you step by step and all the ingredients that you are going to follow to make hair conditioner. I also did a video on how to make shampoo from start to finish, and people keep on asking about hair conditioner. I was busy, sorry if you have been waiting, but the video is finally here. So I want to list all the chemicals, the step by step. Actually, with hair conditioner, we have 3 basic steps, but we have about 9 or 10 ingredients with me here. So we are going to do phase 1, phase 2, and phase 3. There's even a point that we are going to use a gas or at least stove. So with me here are the ingredients that we are going to be using. The first one with me here is thickener. We have thickener 1 cup. We have stearic acid 1 cup. We have lanet wax 1 cup. We have Dynat A 40 ml. We have perfume 20 ml. We have paraffin oil half liter. We have glycerol 1 cup. We have salty alcohol 1 cup. We have borax salt 4 teaspoons. So those are the ingredients we are going to be using. So, and then we also have three bowls here. We are going to make 10 liters of hair conditioner. Here is 5 liters of water here, and this is my turning stick. If you have been watching my video, you should know that I have this beautiful and awesome turning stick that I always tell you that you should give my husband a like for helping me construct that by himself. Here is 1 liter of water, and here is 4 liters of water. So the first one, we are going to mix 1 cup of thickener in 5 liters of water. The first 2, on frying pan, we are going to use these 4 things: paraffin oil, stearic acid, salty alcohol, and lanet wax. We are going to fry this one starting from paraffin oil. We are going to fry it, then we are going to add 4 liters of water to it, and then in this 1 liter of water we are going to mix glycerol, borax salt, perfume, and Dynat A. So it's going to be phase 1, phase 2, phase 3. So the first one here, and of course I didn't mention my awesome scissors. Here is my scissors, because anything chemical I try as much as I can to ensure that it doesn't touch my hands. And again, please note, with hair conditioner, if you start turning it one side from all the steps, don't turn it the other side again. Just like how you turn your cake, everything you do is one-sided. Everything you do is one-sided. Everything you do is one side. Even when we go to frying pan, in case I forget, we all will still the same use one side. So if you are lefty, ensure that if anybody is helping you, the person is using lefty. If you are using right hand, whatever you do, make sure that the other person is also using right hand. So here with me is a cup of thickener. I will pour it inside 5 liters of water and stir. For a better result, you stir this and leave it overnight. But if you want to do it the same day, at least you mix it thoroughly. Let me say to like 4 to 5 hours approximately. So that is how you keep stirring. You mix it and until it becomes thick. All right. So here we are in our phase 2. In our phase 1, we have already dissolved our thickener in 5 liters of water. So now with me is the 4 liters of water need to be warm. I've put it on fire, and then in this pot I'm going to put my paraffin oil. I'm putting my salty alcohol and stearic acid, as well as my lanet wax. So I'm going to start with paraffin oil. This is my paraffin oil. So this is my half liter of paraffin oil. It's already heating up. And please, this is the most important aspect. Don't stir the other way. You only stir it one way. So my paraffin oil is on fire. Please, if you're finding this video helpful, don't forget to give me a like. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Feel free to share with your family and friends. And I want to also seize this opportunity to say thank you for 1,000 subscribers. From my last video on how to make shampoo, our subscriber was just 500 plus. But now, as I think we are up to almost 1,300. And as for our watch hour, we have 2,700. So we are 1,300 away to becoming monetized on YouTube. So the next step is I'm going to put my lanet wax. I'll pour it inside the paraffin oil and I'll keep stirring. It will be melting. Please don't put your nose directly to it. You know, I studied chemical engineering, and preferably you can even use face masks, but as I'm used to all those things. But don't put your face directly to it. As you can see, it's already melting. So the next step is I'm going to put my diquat A. Here is my diquat A. So I'll keep stirring and it will be melting up. Please don't forget to leave a helpful comment. I always take my time to reply your comments one after the other. I also recently, just today, I joined TikTok. So in case you don't know more about TikTok, ask me. You can also connect with me. My name is Ijapari on TikTok, so that we can do better. The next step now, I'm going to add my stearic acid. Alright. And then I'll stir. Please take note that I am stirring only on one direction. It's very important. If you miss this step, especially in this step 2, that we are frying almost everything, it's not going to be good at all. You are going to get a bad result. Alright, it's melting, as you can see. You know, it has steps. That's why it took me time to start making it, because I've been very busy lately trying to meet up with my online courses, because a lot of people have been asking for how to create an online course. How to create an online course is basically how you can convert your knowledge into profitable business on the internet. So I have a course on that, so I've been busy doing that. In case you want to know more about that, you can ask me in the comment section of this video. So here it is melted. So the next step now, while still is on fire, I'm going to add my 4 liters of water to it, and voila, this step is done. So I will just stir it and mix it. At this point, I'm going to off the fire. So our step 2 is done. The next, we are going to go to our step 3. Alright, our step 1 has melted our thickener in 5 liters of water, and here is our fry in 4 liters of water, and here is a liter of water where we are going to start mixing. So here is my Barox wax. I'll just pour it in a liter of water and stir it. The next, I'm going to put my diquat A. I'm going to put my diquat A into it, and I'll stir it. Then the next step, I'm going to pour my glycerol Don't worry, in the description of this video I'm going to drop all the steps, but it's important you watch till to the end because I'm going to introduce something so awesome for every woman here. It's very, very important. Watch till the end. So I pour my glycerol. The last but not the least here is perfume. You can use any perfume of your choice. I love Angel perfume. I don't know why. All right. So our step 3 is ready. So our step 1 here is thickener in 5 liters of water. So now the next step is I'm going to pour all this here and I'll mix it thoroughly. I'll keep stirring. Please don't change hand. If you change hand, it will not melt. You have to keep stirring it. It's coming up. Please don't forget to give me a like if you are finding this video helpful. Give me a like. Don't forget you can go ahead and share the video so that others can also watch. Don't forget that we are trying to also meet up so that this year will be monetized. You know, all this thing I'm doing for free. So it's when we become monetized that I'm going to enjoy also the fruit of my labor. So by sharing this video, it's so important for me. It's a way of you telling me thank you for what you are doing. By subscribing to this channel is a way of telling me thank you for what you are doing. By commenting, oh, I love people that comment so much. I love connecting with every of my YouTube subscribers and followers. So now I'm going to put my step 3 into it. Don't forget, don't change hand. I'll still stay on the same direction and voila! See how awesome our conditioner is looking. So I'll stir it very well so that it will mix. Our hair conditioner is ready. 10 liters. So the next thing is going to be packaging. But I cannot end this video without talking about Virgin. So I've been a distributor of this company for a long time. It came to Nigeria since, let's say, I think it should be around April, but I joined in July last year. This is like 1 year because I'm shooting this video. Today is 28th of July 2020, so I don't know when you are watching this video. So Virgin is made for women, enjoyed by men. That's the name we call it. So if you want to know more about the product, it helps in tightening. It also helps in killing infection. For women, it also help a lot of people on ovarian cysts and much more. In the description of this video, I'm going to link a video where you will know more about it because this video is not all about Virgin. And if you want to know more, you can also ask me. Just type Virgin or I want to know more about Virgin in the comment section of this YouTube video so that I can also link you. Maybe you could be our new distributor in your city. Just Google Virgin or check Virgin on social media. You will know more. I don't need to waste much of your time on that. So this is how to make conditioner. My next video is going to be on how to make insecticide. Yes, but I've not made it yet. It's until when I see how many people are interested in learning how to make insecticide. So if you want to learn how to make Dettol, you want to learn how to make hand sanitizer, you want to make learn how to make shampoo, you want to learn how to make perfume, I've made all this video. I'll link it in the description of this video, and in the end screen I'm going to also link where you can just click as this video is ending. You just click on how to make shampoo or you click on how to make hand sanitizer. Until I come your way again in my next video on how to make insecticide, do have a wonderful day. Bye.